Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been long time I was away from YouTube. I was quite busy with my work, so I have taken some break for almost 10 to 14 days. Now I thought this is the right time to share you some knowledge and experiences of mine. Those students who have joined lately to my channel, guys, my name is Akash Shinde. I cracked 35 plus P schools. I'm alumni of Great Lakes Chennai. I scored 258 in NMAT and SNAP. I scored 3 times 99 percentile. When it comes to MBA CT, I scored 99.51. This is all about my scorecard. Now, if I talk about the PGDM internships, in this video we'll discuss about the PGDM Great Lakes Chennai internships. क्या reality है? I'll talk about it. Now, if I talk about the recruiters who are coming to the campus, Deloitte, USI, Accenture, Adani, Bain, Godrej, Coca-Cola, Nestle, EY, ICICI, Wells Fargo, ITC, Infosys, from Zomato, Big Basket to Indian Oil. All these recruiters are coming to the campus. जितने भी रिक्रूटर्स आए, most of the recruiters came for finance roles or sales and marketing. There's a less strata of people who got into analytics as well as business consulting or product research, market research kind of roles. There are 3 to 4% of strata of people who got into operations management. Now almost 153 recruiters have came to the campus. Students कितने हैं? 300. Recruiters कितने हैं? 153. So you can understand there's issue in terms of getting jobs to all the people, right? If when I was in the campus and whatever I'm speaking to you, it is all correct actual data. I talk to the people who are present there in the campus and I gather the data from them, right? So out of 360 people, not all people got a summer internship. Some people have to get outside of the campus and search for them. Again, out of the offers that they are given, most of the offers got into finance, some of the offers got into sales and marketing. The number is around 35%. Finance mein, if you wanted to get into banking, NBFC sector, financial consulting, financial analyst roles, I think yes, there's a 14 to 15% of the role. Investment banking, JP Morgan came to the campus. Bain and Company also came to the campus. Due to that, two companies, the investment banking dream has been successful for the students. Now इन्होंने शो किया है और ये स्टीपेंड इज 99,700. I'll tell you the reality, इतना नहीं है. Average क्या होता है? The people who are at the top and people who are at the lower. So, if someone is getting 2 lakh, 3 lakh, there is some stat of people, but there are some people who got 35,000, who got 40,000, 45,000. So, kabhi bhi average pe, you don't have to judge it. Always go for median. That depends how many people got how much package, right? मेरे हिसाब से around 70 to 75,000 है. They are literally exaggerated. And this is the talks from the person who have been there and done that. Now, if I talk about the industry wise classification, right? So BFSI 14%, investment bank 11%. Mainly, Great Lakes is a Makkah for IT, so you can understand. Technology 8%. Publishing media means Mint came to the campus, and company also came to the campus. That's why they have added that publishing media. EdTech again, the EdTech firms which are present there in the industry. When it comes to technology consulting, see, you will see consulting, not a strategy consulting, not a management consulting, it's a tech consulting role. So tech consulting companies also came to the campus. And in the other space, you can see here most of the wealth management logistic companies came to the campus. If I talk about the functional wise, right, kabhi bhi Great Lakes is quite good for the people who wanted to get into finance or sales and marketing for 2 year MBA as compared to 1 year MBA, where most of the weightage goes to tech consulting roles, or some people got into tech sales. There's always a tech if you are looking for Great Lakes, right? Now, if I talk about the companies who came to the campus, Accenture Tech Strategy and Advisory, Accenture Consulting almost gives you 1.5 for 1 month. So for 2 months, you're gonna get 2.5 lakh rupees. Bain and Capability Network, that is around 1 to 1.3 lakh rupees to or 2 months, around 2.5 to 2.6. BNY Mellon अच्छा देती है 75 to 90K के अंदर पर मंथ. EY, Godrej, Himalaya, these are the companies who give you PPO. Godrej also, which is Godrej group में Godrej Properties came to the campus that gives you PPI. Himalaya Wellness, within 6 months of the campus, you're gonna get and you will understand whether you are suitable for the campus or not. So हिमालय इज कमिंग टू द कैंपस, कंसिडर इट as a PPO. आपको PPO मिलने वाला है, देन यू शुड अप्लाई फॉर एक्सिस बैंक. प्रॉब्लम विद एक्सिस बैंक इज for full time they'll give you 11 to 12 LPA, right? So that is the where lot of the biggest problem lies, because they'll you they feel definitely want lot of people come into the Axis Bank. और टायर भी दिया जाता है, टायर काइंड ऑफ टू. एंड जो टॉप 20 स्कूल होते हैं, MDI और जो IIMs, these people will get a tier 1 which is called tier M. So that's how Axis Bank will take you at 11 to 12 LPA when it comes to final placements. That is the issue of Axis Bank, right? And one of my friend as well as lot of students also came to me and they told me that bhaiya, we are facing lot of issues in terms of placements, and now we got placed in Axis Bank, they are pushing us to any location. So whenever you are going for final placement when it comes to Axis Bank, think about it and then apply for it. KPMG comes for technical consulting. KPMG mainly comes for tech consult when it comes to PGPM. For PGDM, they came for financial role, right? V Commercial is the best commercial company that is present there in the industry. Their company also came to the IIT, Kharagpur and Madras. So you should look for that company. Dabur kind of FMCG role. Bajaj Auto is pretty decent. Federal Bank finance role. Then if you look at Jindal Steel and Power, if you wanted to get into operation management, then you look for it. Wells Fargo financial role, financial consultant. सो आई थिंक आपके करियर के स्टार्टिंग में 16 से 20 का लाख का पैकेज मिल रहा है थ्रू वेल्स फार्गो. दैट इज फार बेटर फॉर यू. Deloitte USI for tech consulting role, they'll put you into digital transformation, SAP consulting, or most of the times the people from finance background get into the treasury, hedge fund kind of roles. uh, HDFC Bank, ICICI बैंक, HSBC, टिपिकल बैंक्स दिल टेक यू फॉर बैंक्स में सेल्स करने के लिए, रूल्स के लिए दिल पुश यू फर्स्ट थिंग. सेकेंडली, इफ नॉट सेल्स देन सम बैंक्स में क्या होता है कि you'll get a kind of प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट रोल. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजमेंट इनिशियल नहीं होता है, 2-3 साल के बाद बनाते हैं, बट they'll give that role to you. So these are the recruiters and these are the partial recruiters. There are a lot of recruiters, almost 50 to 60 recruiters they have omitted from it. So guys, frankly speaking, if I talk about this year's data and if I talk about the 2024's data, there are some differences that I would like to tell you. See, this is not again the average package. Again, last year also package went down because market was not that much good, and you can see here, as compared to last year, this year there were is lot of jump when it comes to sales and marketing role, right? Last year edtech में थोड़ा boom था, this year थोड़ा कम रहा है. And you can see the companies who are coming to the campus. Last year Kaveri Capitals, this Key Mobility, Arvind Fashions, Anand Rathi, all this company stopped, right? So क्या हुआ था कि just because of that market correction, lot of अच्छे recruiters came to the campus. So I think it is quite good for the people who wanted to get into Great Lakes, where average package for PGDM goes in between 10 to 13 LPA. For PGPM it is quite high, I would say 60 LPA तक जाता है average package, 16 से ऊपर जाएगा if you are having a deep decent profile and if you are coming with strong academic background. That's all about today's video. If you like the video, please comment down and don't forget to share this video to all your friends. All the best to you guys.